Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get money back from Kikoff. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to request a refund, what you can do is for the credit builder loans, simply confirm you have made all the payments and it's been at least 7 days since your final one. Then next is to simply head over and open up your Kikoff app and then be sure to be logged into your account. Then simply navigate to the section called withdraw funds or claim funds. Then inside choose your payment method from ACH, check or transfer to secured card, and then simply submit and monitor withdrawal funds until they arrive. Now for errors or unauthorized charges, contact Kikoff support promptly by simply heading over to the support section and submit evidence and request a full refund or reversal. Resolution can take a few days to 2 months, though some users reporting processing within 1 week. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you had, and see you soon on the next one.